Namaste and welcome to this session in which we will learn the basic variation of Surya Namaskar. So usually in Surya Namaskar, the 12 poses are done sequentially one after another. But this is a basic version of it in which we will be reducing the intensity. So you can work on this one and build up to the classical one. Okay, so let's get started. You will start here at the front of the mat. The first asana here is you will place your palms together, thumb touching the chest, pranamasa, shoulders are relaxed and eyes closed. Just for a second, take one big inhale and exhale. Be aware of your whole body. You can now open your eyes. In the second pose, you will cross your thumb. Inhale, you will take your arms up like this here and simply stretch your spine up. So spine upright, stretch the arms. Feet are parallel to each other. As you exhale, you will bend forward. So keep pulling the arms, keep your knees soft. And then once you're here with your legs bent, you can let your head and neck go. So in this variation, we keep our knees slightly bent. So if your back of the legs are inflexible or tight, then this is a good modification. From there, you will bend both your legs. So take your hips even lower. Place your both the fingertips here besides your toes, and then take your right leg back. So you're here in lunging, and press the fingertips, look up. See that you're taking your hips down and you take your chin up. From there, place your palms flat, press your palms into the mat and go into mountain. We are going to modify the mountain, so heels are off the ground, knees slightly bent. Taking your chest towards your thighs. From there, you will place your right leg here in between your palms. So if you are stuck here in between, you can also hold your ankle. So if I'm here, I'll hold the ankle and then I'll place it in between the palms. See that the toes and fingertips are in one line. And then place the other leg here. Knees we keep bent in this variation. Inhale, coming up. Stretch the spine and exhale back to Namaste, Pranamasa, right? So that's it. We will now go a little bit faster. So let's start here, palms together. Big inhale, cross your thumb. Just simply stretch your arms and spine. Get length in your spine. Exhale, bend forward, keeping your knees slightly bent, let your head go. This time take your left leg back. Check that your front knee and ankle is one line. And then first the palms are flat and then going here in mountain. If your hamstrings and your calves are open, you can also push both your heels down if they are tight. And keeping them soft and pushing the hips all the way up. From there, placing your left leg in between. And then the other leg in between. Relax your head when you're here. Inhale, coming up. So you can also stretch your arms like this. Pull your belly in, lift your chest, and then come back here into Namaste. So we'll go again a little bit faster. So here, inhale, stretch your arms, your spine, belly in. Exhale, bending forward. Inhale, taking your right leg back. Exhale, going into mountain. This is mountain pose. Either both your heels down, or if back of your legs are stiff, then heels up, knees are slightly bent. Placing your right leg in between, and then the other leg in between. We'll directly come here, palms together. Inhale, so this will make it easier to flow. Stretch up, exhale, bend forward. Now we're picking up speed. Left leg will go back. So if this is too fast, can slow down the video. I have explained it in the first module. Exhale here, mountain. Inhale, left leg in between. Exhale, other leg in between. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, again, right leg in between. Exhale, other leg in between. Inhale, coming all the way up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, other leg forward. Inhale, so we will do 3 more rounds like this at your own pace. If you're short of breath, you can move slowly. Last round. And done. So there you go. That was an easy variation of Surya Namaskar. In the next class, we will learn how to do the classical Surya Namaskar 12 poses one after the other. See you in the next class. Take care.